Hello, YNABers. My name is Jesse Meekum, and this is podcast number 463 for YNAB, where we teach you 4 rules to help you stop living paycheck to paycheck, get out of debt, and save more money. We've been doing this 34-day reset, this sprint, this thing where you're doing a couple things very intensely without exception, no holding back, no, modifying, just going for it. And we're doing it only for 34 days. The objective here and why we're doing this sprint is to have you make a mental shift with your money where you can kind of see, hey, maybe I don't need to eat out as often as I thought I did, and I can find all that money and use it for something that I truly care about, like getting out of debt. Or maybe you're saying, you know what, I thought it'd be really arduous to update my budget and every time I spend money to record it, but lo and behold, it's actually not. Or, I thought it'd be tough to not spend money on these things, to only spend money on necessities. And then you're looking back now 2 weeks, 3 weeks in, and you're thinking, gosh, that wasn't as bad as I thought. Or maybe on the flip side, you're just like, I hate this. This is so unbelievably hard. I can't believe I agreed to do this. I can't believe I let my spouse talk me into this. I can't believe that I listened to Jesse rant on about that and he got me fired up for 5 minutes and now here I'm stuck. I can't believe this. It's horrible. But even then, aren't you learning something? Aren't you learning that you really do enjoy eating out and it is worth it? We could chat about that over lunch at my house, where I just make it for you. But the point of the sprint, and this is with all kinds of behavior change, we recognize that this is not something that's sustainable, but you do it because you want to move the needle. You want to just kind of throw caution to the wind for just a little while and learn in that intense experiment just a little more about yourself. So while the sprinting is tough and you're just like, I'm going to die, I'm not going to make it, when you get to the end, you look back at those 34 days, you look at your bank account and you realize how much more money you have, payoff's pretty sweet. So stick with it. We're kind of in the home stretch here. You just got a little bit longer, so stick with it here. Only make sure that you are spending on necessities. Every time you spend money, you're recording it. And keep avoiding that eating out. It's been fun to have everyone comment and offer exceptions, or they're saying, well, I'm not going to eat out, but it is our 50th wedding anniversary. So, things like that. But I just love the intention. And I guess that's why it's easy for me not to get mad at people, really, for basically anything, as long as I see their intention just loud and clear, brightly shining. Then they're just saying, hey, I was super thoughtful about this, super careful. I was thorough in my thinking, and I decided I was going to use my money for this. How do you argue with that? But in these sprints, we get to kind of have everything fall away, and you just are left with kind of the basic, the base level, and you find out what your priorities really are. And that's where your intention can be strong, and that's where the money then just starts to line up right only with what you care about. That's where the magic happens. Is this budgeting? Yeah. But isn't budgeting just intending with your money? I think so. Until next time, follow YNAB's 4 rules, and you will win financially. You've never budgeted like this.